Hey guys, it's my bird.
We bring a sense of normalcy.
Right now I'm just watching some TV, and
we're proud to say.
Yeah, I just wanted to let you guys just get in a little bit, see what I was doing, get in a little bit of this time, see what I was doing.
Football draft is
All right.
very important
But
component of the sports world in the United States. And
I mean,
in some respects for the players
I already ate. I did what I need to do.
Fans who are anticipating
So I'm happy.
a really great season of football.
See you guys later.
Unfortunately, we had.
All right, guys. So right now I'm at a Mexican restaurant. I want to get tacos, but I read the sign and it says that you can't get tacos, so you can't go inside unless you have a mask. And the thing is that, you know, the only mask I have is a red bandana, and I'm not going to go in there with a red bandana. I had to figure. I'm just going to have to get a mask. Then I'm going to come back here later because I want some tacos today. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys later. All right, guys. So I'm back. I've been making better content, okay? I've been going different places to find out where I should record at. I've been talking to people, telling them about my YouTube, what I'm doing. I've just been cooking every day. I've been hanging out with my brother. And that's really what I've been doing as an update, okay? So, see you guys. What's up, guys? I bought this t-shirt from my school. Yeah, right now I'm cooking something to eat. The food's in the microwave right now. But the pretty much what I'm wearing is like, I got this to match with my socks. You know, nothing crazy, just something light. And I'm just about to eat some food. And that's it, you know? So I'm gonna see you guys. What's up, guys? I just got done going for a walk. As you can see, I'm chilling in my car. I'm not wearing a mask on today because, as you guys saw in the last clip, my mask that I have is a red bandana. So I don't really like going to stores in like the supermarket or Walmart like with a red bandana on. So I mean, that's why I'm kind of just, I gotta kind of stick to myself right now, because all the stores in New Jersey, you can't go in them unless you have a mask on. And I don't have a mask, so I can't go in the store to get a mask. So it's kind of just like that. So I kind of am just waiting it out. All right. All right, guys. So I just went to Wendy's. I bought a burger. All right, so I'm about to just take a bite of it and try it. The burger's pretty good. It's a pretty good burger, solid. This is a solid burger. Something light, costs $2. Yo, I did not know when these burgers smack like this. This burger is good. It's like, I just got one, but this burger smacks. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this video here, okay? So can you guys please leave a like, drop a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.